Hi, I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney, and today we're speaking with Richard Sperling of Sperling Associates. Richard is a family law specialist. Richard, I want to talk, I get some calls from clients that are saying, David, I'm thinking that this marriage might be coming to an end. And they're looking to me, and I in turn look to you. What advice might we give them in terms of perhaps divorce planning?
Well, the first thing that you mentioned is very important, and that is having a conversation with you about their estate plan and how a divorce would impact their estate plan, and should somebody pass away after they file for divorce or even before they file for divorce. One issue is to interview one or more family law attorneys, get a feel for what the law is and what the process is. Find somebody that you can talk to. Find somebody that's accessible that'll return your calls or be available by phone or by email. We look to see, first of all, if somebody is safe. Are they threatened? Is there domestic violence? Do we need to take steps to make sure somebody is safe and protected? The next thing we look at is, are there assets that are being dissipated or concealed? Disclosure is a very important part of a divorce. We want to make sure that both parties are aware of what they own, and that neither party is spending or giving away property.
So, in essence, it's all about the information. What information can I get my hands on, so to speak?
That's
Now,
right.
in many households, there might be one spouse that deals with the finances and one spouse that runs the household. So when we talk about the spouse that wasn't necessarily hands-on in the finances, what should they be looking at?
Well, some spouses have never even opened the mail or balanced a checking account. They've never talked to a wealth advisor that's working for the family. They don't know what assets are part of the community. But disclosure is the name of the game in terms of divorce. We have statutes that require each spouse to disclose all the assets and debts to the other so that the court can divide them as part of the divorce process. There are extreme penalties for non-disclosure. There's a famous case, the lottery case, where a woman won the lottery. She won $8 million, did not disclose the winning to her husband. Instead, she went home, filed for divorce, and moved out of the house. And a year later, the Lottery Commission sent an anniversary congratulations card to the house. The ex-husband picked up the card and said, my ex-wife now, won the lottery? Oh my goodness. He went to a lawyer, they went into court, and as a penalty, the judge forced her to pay all of the commission, all of the lottery winnings, to the ex-husband as a penalty for non-disclosure. So
Wow.
Disclosure is a very important part of the divorce process.
So a spouse that wasn't that person dealing with the checkbook, they don't have to overly be concerned that, well, perhaps I'm not so knowledgeable about these things.
Well, they should make sure and hire an experienced family law attorney who can find all of the assets.
There you are. That's the key point. We've been speaking with Richard Sperling of Sperling Associates. Richard, let everybody know how they can find you, how they can get more on this important information.
I can be reached through my website, rfsperlinglaw.com, or by email at sperlinglaw@hotmail.com.
And I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney, your trusted advisor. I hope this information's been helpful to you. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and come back soon to find more important content.